Song Zuer, born Sun Fanqing, also known as Lorraine Song, is a Chinese actress and singer. She made her debut as a child actress in the television series The Sea and Sky Boundless. Song Zuer made her comeback with the release of the film One and Only in April 2025, where her scenes remained intact. Shortly after her drama The Demon Hunters romance premiered, marking her return to the screen. In 2025, she starred in The Prisoner of Beauty. The same year, she also played the Demon Hunters romance. On April 12, her comeback drama The Demon Hunters romance premiered on iQIYI. Her career continued to flourish with lead roles in various television dramas, including Novelant Eagle Flag, The Bond, To Fly With You, Cupid's Kitchen, and Legally Romance. In 2016, Song returned to acting in the comedy film Papa, where she acted opposite Sha Yu. Her appearance in the reality show Divas Hit the Road in 2017 gained her significant attention, leading to roles in a series of TV dramas, films, and variety shows. In 2019, Forbes China recognized her as one of the 30 under 30 Asia, highlighting her influence in the entertainment industry. However, in 2023, she faced allegations of tax evasion amounting to 45 million RMB. Following an investigation, her studio announced in August 2024 that she had been cleared of any wrongdoing by the tax authorities. She was admitted to the Beijing Film Academy in 2018. The same year, she played lead roles in the fantasy historical drama The Dark Lord, as well as the comedy web series Gossip High. Song graduated from junior high school in Beijing in 2013 due to issues with academic registration, which prevented her from taking regular entrance exams in Beijing and Tianjin. Along with her struggle in mathematics, she withdrew from Tianjin No. 45 High School in 2014 and transferred to a church school near Chicago in the United States. Throughout her career, she has received numerous accolades, including the Best Actress Award at the 26th Wedding Awards for her role in Novelant Eagle Flag.